Hello and welcome back to another episode of the channel, and today we have a new bathroom that we're installing for this customer, and right now we're in the middle of removing the existing bathroom suite. So we got Harry and Aaron in here just grafting. So what we got going on in this bathroom, we are removing the bath and then putting in a full-size shower trays, which will be the same length as the bath. A new wall-hung basin going here, smaller towel rail just by here, and the toilet we're going to move over centrally a little bit more. And these pipes that you can see currently coming out through the floor and everything are going to be hidden. Okay, so what I always like to do as soon as we start a new job is to check through all the materials, you know, all the fixtures and fittings that we're going to be using, just to make sure everything is there. This customer in particular has sourced all these things themselves and sent me over what it is they were having, so I've checked through. But even if I was getting this from my own supplier, once it's delivered, I do like to go through and just make sure everything's there that we're going to need for the job. So we'll just start going through this now and see what we got. Okay, basin tap. These are the tiles. Nice high gloss tiles. Shower, that's the basin top. That is the vanity basin unit. We're gonna have to assemble that. I might do that today because it is a bit crammed up in there, especially for three blokes. But I'm probably not gonna spend too much time here, to be honest. It's a toilet seat, so yeah, I'll probably build whatever I can build here. So that's one less thing for the boys to do. These pipes need to go in the wall, come out, because it's a floating vanity. Okay, the waste is what's going to be the hardest part, because that needs to come under the floor and then come up inside the wall. I need to get my cousin here to skim, so if Aaron's ever scratching, let's get a scraper here and Aaron can scrape the ceiling, yeah, and PVA it, yeah. So my cousin's got to plaster this, we've got to fit spotlights as well. Oh, this one.
Come on, boys. Put some welly into it. How long does it take to rip a floor up, tut-tut? Where's those muscles at, lads?
Let's do this together. Ready?
Honestly, you boys break a sweat too easily.
So we're just going to go off now and get some materials for the boys, keep them going so they don't... Ooh, nearly crashed into the back of someone there. Yeah, so that they basically don't have to leave site. They can just carry on getting everything ripped out, and we'll get the bits that they need there for them to crack on with the job. ladders as well, so we can... Yeah, might want to get a ladder in there as well and see if there's any indiscrepancies anywhere. This is only just to take these knobbles off, so there's a nice flat surface. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But the, I think we can go over there.
Meanwhile.
Okay, and then obviously that would be like that again.
Yeah.
That's what we'll bring forward. But what happens then is when you get into the corner, there's then cuts.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
Hello. 22 to 15 HEP reducer, if you call one.
Did you enjoy that night out there?
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was I didn't, you didn't stay either, did you? Beat myself.
Oh, no, I told him you could. I said, that's out. It's supposed to be tomorrow. Like, I all the way for it 60.
Yeah, it's going to be you make sense.
So that's the end of day one on this bathroom project. I'm only going to be there for a few hours tomorrow as I've got a few jobs booked in, and then Thursday I'm not going to be there at all as I'm chock-a-block with jobs. So Harry and Aaron are going to be taking care of that on their own. But we've had a really good hit out on it today. Got pretty much what we wanted to achieve. Hopefully tomorrow we can have the flooring and everything put back down, and then the shower tray to go in, ready for us to start looking at setting out for the tiling. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can show you a bit more of the progress of that particular job, and